Let me take you to a paradise that feels like home. Puerto Escondido, Mexico. Imagine golden sunsets melting into turquoise waters and the sound of waves lapping against the shore. But there's more. This destination welcomes everyone. Travelers rave about its open LGBTQ+ inclusive beaches and laid-back atmosphere. Need an adventure? Try surfing Zicatela Beach, one of the top waves in the world. Want relaxation? Walk along the hidden cove of Playa Carrizalillo. Hungry? Street vendors serve tacos with the freshest seafood you've ever tasted. Here's your pro tip. The best time to visit is November to April for sunshine and quiet vibes. Skip the big resorts. Opt for local accommodations to support the community and enhance your experience. Puerto Escondido isn't just beautiful. It's a celebration of life, love, and diversity. Pack your bags. Adventure is calling. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below.